this bra. Honk, 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 honk. Honk. You bra. Honk, honk. Honk, honk.
I hear you.
There's one called Laura Ashley.
Yes, she's a designer.
What about Ellen Tracy? Is she a designer too? Honk. Oh my god, I gotta honk these. Honk to Laura Ashley. What are you looking for?
I was actually looking at sports bras for you, but I may change my mind if you don't behave.
They're fun to honk. Honk, honk, honk.